It's Mommy. And who are you?
I'm Kevin.
And Kevin.
No.
And today we're playing with mixed tiles. Or magnatiles. Woohoo! Can you show them a magnatile? Cars have different kinds of wheels.
Right, Mom.
I'm right. And we're going to try them on our ramp and see which one works better.
This one.
You think that one, Kevin? Whoa! Oh, he doesn't come back like the other one did. How about this one? Let's try this one with different types of wheels. Whoa, that one fell off. Woo! That one went back and forth. Woo!
Down.
Isn't that cool, Kevin?
Yes, Mom.
So cool. The Spidey car didn't go back and forth like Kevin's car. Oh, he gets stuck. Because he's a pullback. Kevin's got a new car to try. Whoa, it goes back and forth too.
Yes. How this one do, Mom?
It doesn't go back as far.
How this might go back and far?
That one goes back as far?
Yes, Mom. It's still on that one. But on mine.
Whoa! Oh! No! No!
They're all broken. My pants are all broken.
They're all broken.
I picked yours and my big line.
What are we going to do?
Let's build them.
Let's build them.
Yes, it's that.
Now we're going to try another car that's also green. And it has the word Opala on it, which is Hawaiian for
Look this, Mom. What is
trash.
Grass?
Trash.
What is tall? What is one tall?
That is a piece of a train.
It's white, Mom.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to put them together and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got you.
Me?
1, 2, 3. Oh, we both crashed.
It just back in warm. It back in warm.
1, 2, 3.